one factory. Hi, Strawberry. Is it a lovely day? Yes, Nanny Plum. Hi, Honey. Hi, Strawberry. Are you going to join us for one practice? No, I'm here to play with Honey. But Honey is going to a magic practice, and I cannot find my wand. You're holding it. Oh yes, so I am. Come on, girls. Now, let's practice with lifting this rock. Up and down. Up and down. Up and down. Up and down. Very good. Keep going. Up and down. Up and down. Hi, Honey. Hi, Strawberry. Do you want to play football? We can't. We have to do one practice. Up and down. Up and down. Up and down. You're supposed to be gentle with your wand. It's alright. Wands are very strong. We don't want to break them. Don't be a silly. They never break. Show him, Honey. Hit your wand on that rock. Okay. Oh dear. Honey, Strawberry, how on practice? Not very well. Honey broken a wand. I'm trying to make it gently, and she pushes on the rock. That doesn't sound good. Sorry, Nanny Plum. Just alright. I'm going to mend it. Ray, are you mending with magic? No, Honey. I cannot. Why? Because one make magic, but magic don't make one. Now chicken and egg. Chicken makes egg, but eggs don't make chicken. But egg do make chicken. Whatever. I suppose so. I cannot mend it. So who did? They have to elves do made the wand. Yes, I will make them too. Do you come along too? And we're good. To the elf factory. Oh, that will be fun. Hello, can I help you? I want to mend my wand. She pushes on a rock. Okay. Wise old elf, please returning to someone. Hello, Honey. Can I help you? Honey breaking a wand. She pushes on a rock. Oh, I see. Come on. I have to mend it. And you need these hard hats. Ooh, this is fun. Everyone, get on the tree. Woo! Well, now go to the one factory. Let's go. It can be deep. deep is it? Never 500. The deepest spot in the Alpha's bill. Oh, this is fun! Oh, my tummy! It is the deepest spot to do magic. Are you make them so long? Yes, but of course magic is dangerous, so we keep it underground. Yes, and magic is meant to be trouble. Oh, my tummy! Here is the wand factory. How do you mend it? I don't know. This will help us to mend it. I will see what is wrong. Ooh! The X-ray says it needs new cones. Let's go. Here is the plant's room. How do you mend along with plants? Mend it by the name of the plant with the name of us. I know this. Yes, but I am not a plum, so I will make my one with a plum tree. And for you, honey, your one will mend it by a honey tree. Exactly. So, strawberry, how is your one mend it? About the strawberry tree. Oh, try it. It's a bit big. Maybe I just cut a bit. This is for plan work. I connect the leaves to my woman, dear. Oh no, not yet. We need to mend the head. Follow me, everyone. This is the mending head room. Ooh! Stick, funnel, bubble comb. Do you mend it? Isn't it? Yes, but it is a very hard work. It must see and breathe. That's it. Whistle stick, please. Whistle stick. That doesn't sound good. Let's try a bit, Lizzie. Hooray! Can we go home now? No, Nanny. We have to test Holy's wand. Follow me, everyone. This is where we will test the wand. We'll keep it safe. Why do you have to keep it safe? Because magic is trouble, and we don't want to nick it out. What's fun in that? Magic is not meant to be fun. This, I will tell the robot to turn this to something. What's he doing? the robot to do something. I will testing by turning this anemone to something. What's all there? What is what's on? If it turns into a monster with 100 eyes and 3 legs, wait and see. The anemone has turned into water. Why turn into water? That rubbish magic. It's real magic. I don't think so. Is it? Why can't you just do it? Okay. Oh! Magic! Outside! Outrageous! Oh! I thought it was a frog. My one is wrong. Oh, don't think so. It must be very wrong. It's not working. Oh, I see. What do you mean? Let's see. How does you check your wand in the wand factory 10 years ago? One should be taking once a year. There you are. All fixed. Oh, it works now. Granny, you're turning into a frog. Yes. Can you turn him up? Gabe. Oh, alright. Cinderella backed himself. Like I said, magic always leads to trouble. So don't do magic. Rubbish. Yes, of course. Sorry. Thank you for mending my wand, without doubt. Of course. It's good to have your back, wand. I will never break your game. Just remember to not bash it on a rock. I will. The